Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Lerma. Wag na po ang atis dyan, Ma'am. May request once again the members of the GIPS for the group picture. And the right after this, members of the Bills, get ready.
Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Thank you.
Once again, isang malakas po na palakpakan. Members of the GIPS. This time, we shall now have the members of the 7 Bills. To begin with, ladies and gentlemen, a warm congratulations to Jobel Pelayo.
Nasaan na siya?
Sir, dito kayo sa message ko.
Happy birthday, Ma. Wish you all the best in life.
Wala pang malakas sa palakpakan to Sir Jobel. Moving on to JP Kabiling.
Hello, Ninang. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And may you continue to inspire others. And God bless you more.
Well said, thank you so much, Sir JP. Next in line, we have Reggie Pagsin.
Happy birthday, King Pat. Thank you. Meron po kami kahit kaya birthday din. Thank you ulit. Happy birthday. Sana lagi ka pa healthy. At yun ang tingin. I love you.
Palakpakan naman natin. Maraming salamat. So this time, let us hear the message coming of course to Ronald Labi.
Happy birthday po, ate. Enjoy this evening po. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan natin. Maraming salamat. Brace yourselves to Jaime Pogi Suli.
Happy birthday, beautiful cousin. Enjoy every moment with love and laughter. My birthday.
Wala pang malakas sa palakpakan. Maraming salamat. A resounding a round of applause to Reggie Flores. And finally, completing the members of the 7 Bills, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together to Cecil Bernal.
Bayog po munisipyo. Ikit kayo po, kami pa kayo pong Malagua po. Pero katandanan ko rin po, she's a little bit suplada. Pero po, re-represent mo rin po yung kayang Lagyo. She's very funny. Talaga po makatulayan mo rin po. Kay Pami Abemi po, minsan po, ating kayabe malungkot, pero most of the time po naman, dakal po yung masaya. Ita po palagi ni po ayalalo. Parati kayo pong masayaking munisipyo. Ngayon, mag-retire na ko, tapos ngayon 70. Sana pakaban na pa ni nga pong ginuwing kay Hambye, maging malusog at lalong malago. Imaginean kayo po bayo kong miras kayo lalo bayo ko dintang. Balaksa na po itang beauty na King London. At titaya naman ngayon ano pong kalago kami itong pictures na niya pong Julia London. Ating pan, happy birthday. Sana makabang-makaba pa yung diya at maging healthy ka pa. Happy birthday again.
Wala pang malakas na palakpakan. Thank you so much. Cecil, huwag na po kayo aalis dyan. May request once again the members of the Bills. Balik ulit po tayo dito sa may mini stage for the group picture.